I spent 2 hours washing my black sedan only to drag a cheap stiff towel across the hood and leave a permanent swirl mark right in the clear coat. It is incredibly frustrating to ruin your own paint just because you picked up the wrong drying tool at the parts store. You look at the shelves filled with natural leather and synthetic blends, and it is just a guessing game. Here is what matters. Today we are breaking down the chamois versus the microfiber towel so you never scratch your paint again. Let me explain which one actually works. The trap of tradition, the leather chamois. For decades, this was the absolute gold standard in auto detailing. Your grandfather probably used one and his father before him. It is made from natural sheepskin leather that has been specially treated with marine oils. When you touch it dry, it feels oddly stiff, almost like a piece of thick cardboard. But once you hydrate it with water, it transforms into a spongy, ultra-pliable sheet of material. The main appeal of the chamois is how it acts literally like a squeegee on your car. You drag it flat across the wet glass or the hood, and it leaves a totally streak-free finish behind. You do not need 5 or 6 of them to dry a whole car. You just use one piece of leather, wring it out when it gets saturated, and keep going. It feels old school and deeply satisfying to use. But there's a massive catch that most people ignore until it is too late. Because it is a completely flat piece of leather, it has zero margin for error on your paint. If a single grain of sand blows onto your car while you are drying, the chamois traps that grain between the leather and your clear coat. You end up dragging a microscopic boulder across your entire door panel, leaving a permanent scratch. The modern fix microfiber towels. Now, look at the modern microfiber towel. This completely flipped the car care industry upside down. We're not talking about those cheap, thin, yellow rags you buy in a 50-pack at the local hardware store. I mean heavy, plush drying towels engineered specifically for pulling vast amounts of water off clear coat. They're made from synthetic blends, usually a very specific ratio of polyester and polyamide. Microfiber has a very deep pile. It looks and feels like a thick winter blanket. If that exact same stray grain of sand lands on your paint, the microfiber does not drag it across the surface. The sand gets pushed deep up into the fibers of the towel, physically separated and isolated from your delicate paint surface. It is a built-in insurance policy against your own mistakes and environmental dust. You just drape a massive waffle weave or twisted loop microfiber over your car roof, pat it down gently, and pull it away. The water simply vanishes into the fabric. You do not even need to wipe the surface. Bottom line, it fundamentally changes how safely you could detail a vehicle in a normal dusty driveway. Absorbency and water management. A chamois absorbs water directly into the leather, but it hits its maximum capacity very quickly. You wipe one large panel, the leather gets heavy, and then it starts leaving water streaks behind. You have to stop, wring it out with some serious elbow grease, and then go back to work. It is a highly manual, repetitive process. The upside is infinite capacity. As long as you have the forearm strength to keep wringing it out, that one piece of leather will eventually dry a massive truck. Microfiber works entirely on volume and deep storage. A premium heavy-duty drying towel can hold a shocking amount of water, sometimes up to 10 times its own dry weight. You can often dry an entire mid-size car without wringing the towel out a single time. It just drinks absolutely everything on contact. But once a large microfiber is totally saturated, it is effectively done for the day. You cannot easily wring out a massive plush towel by hand to get it dry enough to keep working efficiently. You either need a second dry towel to finish the job, or you have to deal with leaving a damp surface. For most people drying one personal car, the massive upfront capacity of the microfiber easily wins out over the endless wringing of the chamois. The scratch risk factor. This is the most critical part of the entire debate. The drying stage is exactly where 90% of paint damage happens. You think you are cleaning your car, but you are actually installing swirl marks that will cost hundreds of dollars to polish out later. As I mentioned in the intro, I learned this the hard way on my own black paint. A natural leather chamois is entirely flat. It is unforgiving by its very nature. It requires a perfectly clean surface to operate safely. If your wash technique was flawless and you are working inside a sterile indoor wash bay, a chamois is beautiful. But no one actually washes their car in a vacuum. The wind blows. Dust settles constantly. You inevitably miss a small spot near the lower wheel well. When a chamois hits that leftover dirt, it instantly becomes sandpaper. Microfiber mitigates this specific risk better than anything else ever invented. The structure of the synthetic fibers literally pulls dirt particles upward and away from the friction zone. Plus, because they are so incredibly absorbent, you do not need to apply any downward pressure to dry the paint. You can use a technique called the blot method. You simply lay the towel flat on the wet hood, press gently with flat hands, and lift it straight up off the paint. Zero wiping means zero friction. Zero friction means zero swirl marks. If you care about keeping your clear coat looking like glass, this single factor should make your decision for you immediately. Maintenance and lifespan. Buying the tool is only half the battle. Keeping it usable for the next wash is the other half. Natural leather requires genuine care and attention. You have to wash it gently by hand using very mild soaps. You cannot use harsh detergents or heavy degreasers, or you will strip the natural marine oils right out of the skin. And when you dry it, you have to let it air dry naturally away from direct sunlight or heat sources. When a chamois dries, it gets hard as a rock. You have to rehydrate it carefully before every single use. If you abuse it or store it wrong, it literally rots or cracks into pieces. Microfiber is significantly easier to live with, but it has its own strict, unbreakable rules. You throw it in the washing machine. That is the easy part, but you absolutely cannot use fabric softeners or high heat. Fabric softener completely clogs the microscopic synthetic fibers, destroying the towel's ability to absorb any water at all. High heat in the dryer will actually melt the plastic fibers together permanently. Once that happens, the towel becomes scratchy and goes straight in the trash bin. Wash them on cold with a dedicated microfiber detergent tumble dry, on low or no heat, and they will safely last for hundreds of washes. Cost versus total value. When you walk into an auto parts store, the initial price tag on a premium natural chamois will almost always make you hesitate. A genuine high-quality sheepskin leather piece is a real investment. You're paying for the raw organic material and the intensive curing process. Traditionalists will always argue this upfront cost balances out over time because a properly maintained chamois can literally last for a decade. It is a single expensive purchase that stays in your wash bucket for years. Microfiber towels present a different financial model entirely. The barrier to entry is much lower. You can pick up a massive, high-quality, twisted loop drying towel for a fraction of the cost of premium leather. The catch is their usable lifespan. Synthetic fibers degrade through mechanical action. No matter how perfectly you wash them, the microscopic hooks eventually flatten out or melt slightly from ambient summer heat. They lose their magic over time. You will likely need to replace your main microfiber drying towel every season or two if you wash your car weekly. But here's what matters. When you factor in the massive cost of professional paint correction and polishing out the swirl marks caused by dragging a flat chamois, replacing a $20 microfiber towel once a year is the cheapest insurance policy you can buy for your vehicle. The final verdict. Let's wrap this up cleanly. If you're showing a classic car that never sees rain and you only ever dry it indoors inside a pristine garage, a chamois gives you that nostalgic, perfectly squeaky clean finish on glass and old chrome. It is a highly specialized tool built for a highly controlled environment. But for absolutely everyone else, the people washing daily drivers in their driveway on a Sunday morning, the microfiber drying towel is the only logical choice. It is infinitely safer for your paint, it is vastly faster at picking up water, and it requires far less physical effort to use. Stop risking your clear coat with unforgiving flat leather. Grab a heavy twisted loop towel, Use the blotting method and keep your paint looking exactly how it did when it rolled off the dealership lot.